In this video, we'll walk through the Advanced General tab under Advanced Settings. These settings help you optimize performance, control how content loads, and adjust key display behaviors across your community. Let's get started. This section focuses on performance and content behavior. First is page requests. This controls how many activity requests are made when a page loads, helping you balance speed and compatibility depending on your hosting setup. Next is link previews. When enabled, links shared in activity posts automatically generate previews with images, titles, and descriptions to make shared content more engaging. Then we have content counts. This shows totals for things like members, groups, photos, and videos across your community. Disabling it can improve performance on larger sites. Now let's look at how content loads and how the toolbar behaves. Activity loading controls how many posts appear at a time and how more content is loaded. You can choose the number of posts per request and decide between infinite scroll or a load more button. Next is toolbar settings. Here you can control who sees the WordPress admin toolbar, including admins, logged in members, and logged out users, depending on the experience you want to provide. And that's how you configure the Advanced General tab. These settings help you improve performance, streamline content loading, and fine-tune the experience for both members and admins.